Scraper doodad is actually the correct term for this. It's scraper doodad. Hey guys, alright, today is gonna be a vlog day slash working on the MR2. I'm gonna make it a vlog MR2 kind of video just because I haven't done many vlog videos lately. So right now I just went and got Dunkin' Donuts because I'm a fat girl in a skinny girl body. And I was hungry and it's morning. I don't know, we're gonna work on the MR2 today and see what all I can get accomplished. Hopefully I can get everything finished up on the engine and ready for it to install on the car. How old is Drake, Charlie?
How old is he?
Yeah.
9.
9? Oh, he's almost 9 years old. He's a chocolate lab. Go get it. Come here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Come on, Drake. Are you tired, buddy? So that is Drake. That's Charlie's dog. I just realized all my lip color wore off from eating breakfast. It looks like I'm a 90s like backup dancer for Selena or something. I don't know, I gotta fix that. So my plans for the 3S GTE are today. I need to do a bunch of little things that I have left to do on here. I got a bunch of vacuum lines I gotta connect, like these guys right here. I just have random lines that need to be connected. Hardware needs to be tightened up. I'm gonna replace the hardware on the intake manifold just because it's mismatched. I don't wanna have uniform correct hardware on there. It's a nipple. Oh, it's a quail. There's another quail. Hi, quails. There's quails just running across the driveway. I got my Milwaukee. I'm just saying, Charlie, if you're watching this, and you can probably hear me, my birthday is in a couple days. The girl would really like her own set of Milwaukee fuels. I'm gonna do the exhaust manifold right now. So I got some new gaskets and some paint. I'm gonna paint this rusty exhaust manifold because it looks kind of like crap. This thing's so heavy. I'm gonna clean up around this head, so let me pull this guy off. Should be careful how I word things here. So you can see it's kind of nasty. I wasn't able to clean in here really well on the side of the head. Now the gaskets that are on here are MLS, they're the multi-layer gaskets, and unfortunately I wasn't able to get another MLS gasket. All I had at AutoZone and O'Reilly's was the composite gaskets, so that's what I have to use. It took an hour and a half. For you, it was like instantly. It was like 3 or 4 seconds of B-roll. Thank you. Yep. 1, 2. Where the hell's the other one? There it is. Oh man, that's heavy. All right, so you can see the rear main seal right here. This is the rear main seal. I am going to change this guy out, and then I also have a new gasket that goes behind this aluminum plate right here. So I'm gonna pull this plate off too and change that gasket, and then the seal, and then I'm all good to go. This guy should just pop right off in theory. There we go. So I took the rear main seal off and I just cleaned it with some etching aluminum wheel cleaner. It's pretty clean now. I just gotta pop out the old gasket. I'm gonna knock that out with a brass punch. Hang that mamba jamba right there. Whoever changed this last time used RTV when they stuck this on there. So thank you for that, whoever did this. It's like a bad plasti dip job. So this is gonna take a while. I'm just gonna snap my fingers and this will be done so you guys don't have to watch this painful process. I don't know if I have the engine back in the same position as the last shot. Oh well, whatever. What I had to do was actually I had to use a razor blade on a stick because whoever did this last, they used RTV on the gasket and it was like bonded to the block. It was a huge pain. Just brings back memories of doing wheel bearings on age equipment. Ideally, you'd want to use one of these things, but we don't have one of the correct size. Sorry. Yeah. Da-da-da. Internet forum. It's MR2 OC. I looked up the torque specs for this rear main seal housing, and it's 182 inch-pounds, which is 7 pound-feet of torque. That's like nothing. That's like so little torque.
Yep.
But at least I have confidence knowing that I did my job in accordance with tech data.
Run them in there with a quarter drive and call it a day.
Charlie could give two shits about me torquing these, but I'm happy that I torqued them. Okay, now we're gonna go to O'Reilly's. I'm gonna stop eating my hair real quick. So I just went to O'Reilly's and I got some hose so I can replace, I have a vacuum line. Where is it? It's up my butt, hold on. Nope, what are those? Oh, those are your glasses. And also I got this stuff, BHT exhaust paint. So I'm gonna do the exhaust manifold and the exhaust side of the new turbo when it comes in the mail. Hopefully I should have it in a couple days. But yeah, I painted this color. Second part of this video. So I'm gonna do the oil pan today and probably get this transmission cleaned up too. And hopefully join the two halves together. Yeah, buddy. These lemons at Charlie's parents' house are cross-pollinated with oranges and grapefruits. So it's a lemon, but on the inside it looks like an orange, and it kind of tastes like a grapefruit. So it's like eating a bag of Starburst. I'm gonna have one for breakfast. It's a lemon, but it's an orange, but it's a grapefruit. It's a bag of Starbursts. What are you doing?
Cooking bacon?
Are you cooking breakfast and watching The Boss Garage?
I am.
I tried going vegan like a month ago, 2 months ago.
But bacon.
I failed. I've tried going vegan like 3 times now and I keep failing. I'm not gonna say exactly how I make my eggs, but my secret, and I learned this from Gordon Ramsay, is I use high heat and I cook it on the heat for a little bit and then I take it off and I let them cool for about 45 seconds and I put it back on the heat and then kind of like stir up the scrambled eggs and then back off the heat and then back on the heat one more time. See that jiggle? Yeah, that's what's up. Where are you? Ouch. Here's the exhaust manifold. I got it all painted up and ready to put back on the engine. Got the new exhaust manifold gasket right here. It's a Vail Pro gasket, so it's the composite material. Still got all the hardware in the holes. Come out of your holes. So many nuts. Hi, bird. Nice to see you too. Why are you so extra, bird? You're always like so, like, yeah, I get it. Big news. There we go. Looks so much better. Looks way, way better. Oh yeah. I found a write-up that has all the torque specs from a Toyota manual on Google. So I'm going to torque the exhaust manifold hardware to 38 pound-feet of torque. Ouch! 2. Now I gotta clean up this oil pan. Whoever did this gasket last time just used RTV. It's everywhere. This was so sloppily done. Looking at the MR2, it's right in front of me. I need to get a front lip for this thing still. I have the 91, 92 front lip for it, but I want to get the 93 and up front lip. So I need that. I need a driver side front fender, the fog lights, turbo fog lights. I need an exhaust, new wheels and tires. I'm not gonna keep the Enkeys that are on there. So I'm gonna sell those Enkeys. I'm gonna throw them on Craigslist. And some new tires, because those ones are like from 2005 or 2006. This is a scraper doodad, in case you're wondering. Scraper doodad is actually the correct term for this. It's scraper doodad. So, just in case you're wondering, I used that guy and I cleaned up all the gasket material off this oil pan. Real quick before I put this pan on here, I'm gonna tap my holes. Is this not a good idea?
Oh, it's a good idea to tap your holes.
So, because I have a cork gasket, I'm gonna use some of this Permatex gasket shellac, this stuff right here, And I'm gonna put a thin coat on the pan and then on top of the cork gasket before I stick it on the back of the block. Back on the block. So I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail because I'm not getting that stuff in my hair.
2 hours later.
48 inch-pounds. That's like almost nothing. I'm kind of understanding now why Charlie said he doesn't like these cork gaskets for oil pans, because they're kind of a pain in the butt. So I see why they used RTV before to seal up this oil pan, because the cork, you have to be very careful when you're tightening it, because too much pressure, it's gonna mushroom the cork out and then you're gonna have a leak in that area. Oil pan's on at least now though. Man, this thing looks really pretty. Hopefully it runs pretty. It'll probably stink for a little bit when I start it back up. I mean, it's meant for what, 1700 degrees Fahrenheit? 1300 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. If your EGTs are 2000 degrees, you got other issues to worry about than your paint burning off your exhaust. I'm back at my house and I'm gonna get this video edited for you guys. Edited. I'm gonna get this video edited for you guys. I'm gonna plan out my videos for this week. Not sure what I got coming up for you, but as you can see, the MR2 engine is ready for the turbo, which hopefully I'll have like Monday or Tuesday of this week. Should be in the mail. Maybe I'll put it back on there. So I'll probably do a video doing that, and then the transmission, getting that bolted up to the engine, and then dropping it back into the car. I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye.